Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters to your selfie or pictures on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should click on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen. Click on the photo editor option and select the picture you want to edit. Tap on it. Then click on the looks button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and here you have a bunch of filters you can choose from. As you tap on one of the looks, you will be able to find further filters that you can apply by tapping on the relevant one, and you can adjust it to your picture by using the slide in the middle of the screen. So feel free to adjust the filter, and when you are done, just click on the save button at the top of the page next to the star icon. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.